On a previous video, we show you how to use Agentforce to help create resource plans on a project. We created the Staffer helper, and we even show you how to literally copy-paste an email or a message into a flow and use the structure output in Agentforce to achieve the same result. If you missed that video, go to cldpartners.com and find it in our AI use case library. Today, though, I want to show you a third way to interact with the Staffer agent, and it's using one of my favorite collaboration tools, which of course is Slack. So let's hop into Slack. And I connected my Staffer helper agent to Slack, which is really simple to do. Shoot me a message if you need help doing this. But now I'm in my Slack environment, which is a dev environment, so it might look a little bit different than yours. And you can also get a dev environment for your own POCs if you want. So here I can interact with the agent and put it in context. I'm already in Slack. I'm doing tons of other things. I'm interacting with my team. That's where I'm doing most of my work these days. And I really don't want to switch tools to ask for a resource. I don't want to go back to Salesforce and launch the agent, or I don't want to go and launch that structure output flow that we put together. So my Staffer helper here, let's try asking to help for creating a resource plan and see what it does. So in this case, I'm saying that on the Malawi PSA data migration project, I want a QA, I want it for 100 hours, and I want it from this coming Monday until the end of the year. Now, it's doing all the processing, it's evaluating, and remember, there are a lot of permissions here going on, so I will not be able to do anything that I cannot do in the org. And if you check it out here, what it says, well, it's saying that it did it. Let's go back to the environment and check it out. Let's make sure that it's actually working. So if I go to my related, I can see my test consultant for 100 hours until the end of the year. So again, this is the same agent that I use in my Salesforce org. I did not make any changes at all to make it work in Slack other than connected it to my Slack environment. So the main thing I want you to take from this example is that Agentforce is not just limited to talking to an agent in your org. Depending on your company, depending on your tools, and even your culture, we need to find the best way for you to adopt Agentforce and make it work for you. So maybe you live in Slack already, and this makes total sense. Maybe you're still receiving resource requests by email, and then the structured output is better for you. Now, the thing here is that you have options, and we just need to be smart about the best one to fit your organization. So for more use cases like this, visit our AI library at cldpartners.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.